How do you see hidden text behind an object in your photos? On the iPhone, of course. Let's get started. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. So, of course, it all comes down to what exactly is going on. But in a lot of cases, when somebody wants to hide something in an image, what they are going to do is that they go to the edit mode and use the markup, like the pencil tool. And with like a certain color, you can mark it up or cover some different things, some text or whatever behind that marker. And it might be done in a way that it's impossible to check it out, but it is possible. For example, if you only have access to that photo, you can as well just go to the edit mode, and in there you would see the exposure and shadows, and you can basically just make it as bright as possible and try to see if the text doesn't shine through the layer of the color of the hidden text. So the only way to do it is through these adjustments, and we need to only rely on the fact that it's not being done properly. Because of course, if somebody just edits the text out of the image or covers an object or whatever, with the photos, then of course, if it's done properly, you will have no option to see that. And one more thing which I want to mention, there are websites where you have an image and you can encode a message into that image, right? And using this, you can of course revert it back or recode it the other way around. And yeah, I just wanted to mention that as well, because it's also possible to input text into an image and nobody would even notice. So yeah, that's the other option which I quickly wanted to mention in this video. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.